Guys, are you ready to see some cool trailers? We're here on the grounds of Rock Solid Cargo at the manufacturing plant. I've got my beautiful wife, Donna. Tell them, hey, Donna. This is Donna Morgan, and our daughter, Vanna Morgan's out here helping us today. She's got all dressed up. Tell them, hey.
Hello.
So we're here at Rock Solid, guys, and we're giving you a behind-the-scenes tour of the options department. A lot of people call it the Renown Cargo Options Department. If you notice, we've got one stacked there, another one over here, guys. Everywhere you look, you can see the crown of thorns. And we're about to show you just a couple of different trailers we've got up under the options building right here. Donna, Vanna, y'all come help me. So the guys right now are working on this one. This is an 8.5 by 36 foot, guys, but they do a phenomenal job, and they're the ones who make all the magic happen. When the trailer gets here, it comes in, it's not finished out. There's plywood on the walls and on the floors, and they come in and finish it out beautifully. You notice we've got carpet running halfway up the walls on this one. This is a 36 foot race car trailer. It's got E-track in the floor, escape door, beautiful two-tone. This is Polycore exterior 080 material. You can see how thick it is if you check it from this angle. Guys, that's over 3 times as thick, nearly 4 times as thick as the industry standard. We've got triple spread torsion axles on this one, guys. One great thing about torsion axles is you get 11 years worth of warranty with the torsion axles, and you get 6 years with the drop leaf springs. So obviously the torsion axle is a little bit better axle. It's going to give you a smoother ride, it's going to pull better, it's going to absorb shock better, and give you 5 more years of warranty. And that's what separates us at Renown Cargo. We have a 5-year nationwide, guys, warranty. If anything ever goes wrong with your trailer, we've got your back, and Rock Solid does a phenomenal job of taking care of our customers if we have an issue. And we don't have many issues. We sell about 300 trailers a month, and we might have 1 or 2 issues a month, guys. That's pretty good considering the volume that we do. This one right here, there's a lot of cool features. They're not quite done with it, but we've got rubber tread plate on the floor, on the ramp as well. We've got a rear spoiler in the back with LED lights up at the top and loading lights. It's just a real clean trailer. We've got white metal on the walls. Again, gray carpet halfway up the walls. They're putting the base cabinet in right now. They've got some overhead cabinets, your radio system, air conditioner, 4 speakers on the interior, 2 on the exterior, powered awning, whatever you need. Now, let's go look at another one. Right here, we build them all different sizes, different colors. We build them big, small, tall, wide, whatever you need. We can do it here at Renown Cargo Trailers. So if you look right here, this is a big boy gooseneck trailer. This trailer has a bathroom in the front. I'm gonna walk in and show you. We've got the brake lights right here on the rear door. We did an extra wide ramp door opening to give them a little more space to put in whatever they're hauling. So guys, if you'll come in and check this out, it is so clean and nice. So we're gonna be real careful when we come in here and not mess it up. But beautiful interior, got silver on the walls, plenty of extra height. I'm 6 foot tall. We can go all the way up to 10 feet interior height. That's real tall. If you do go that tall, I recommend doing 12 on centers on the floor, walls, and the ceiling. That's what we did on this trailer. We've got some receptacles on the walls for them to be able to plug up whatever they want. Thermostat right here with your powered awning as well. Overhead cabinets. Somebody better be tall or have a little ladder to be able to store stuff, but those cabinets are plenty out of the way to give them plenty of room to store whatever they need. Right here, you come in here, we've got a countertop space and a base cabinet as well. And then up here, this is what we call the riser. I imagine somebody will be putting a mattress in here. They've got some overhead cabinets right there, a receptacle to be able to plug in. We've got some 15 by 30 slider windows to give you a little bit of light, and they can create that into like a little bedroom. Right here is just another storage space, like closet if you will, with a receptacle in there as well. But we've got plenty of LED lights in here. We've got your aluminum sidewall vents that open and close from the inside to give you plenty of ventilation however you need it. Speaking of bathroom trailers, let's go check out the next one. So guys, if you're looking for a bathroom trailer, yeah, we can do that too. Like we always say at Renown Cargo Trailers, if you can dream it, we can build it. Well, guess what? Somebody had a dream and we just helped them be a small part and help them accomplish their dreams. So this right here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stalls on this trailer if I'm counting right. Yep, 6 on this one. So if you come in, we've got your vanity right here, guys. We've got your toilet right here. This is where people can do their business. We can do them with showers as well. We can do half baths, full baths. Like I said, whatever you need, we can do it. We've got an in-house engineer that does all our CAD drawings. So if you're looking for something like this, guys, big heavy option trailers is our bread and butter at Renown Cargo Trailers. We love doing heavy option trailers. We've been doing it now for about 10 years, and there's nobody does it better than Rock Solid. I'm telling you, they do a phenomenal job. You might have to wait a little bit longer, but you're gonna get a superior product at a phenomenal price. So trust me, if you can wait, this is where I would build my trailer. And it's not always the cheapest, but it is the best. So guys, that's what we're doing right here. We've got another little toy hauler. They've got RTP going halfway up the floor, so we can do anything. You come up with your own design and relay it to us, and we will make it work for whatever application you're using this trailer for. And people are doing all kind of things with trailers now. It blows my mind. From when I first got in business till now, we have done so many different types of applications to help people either just enjoy time with their family or scale their businesses. Whatever it is, we can help you here at Renown Cargo Trailers. Guys, and right now is the time to order. But guys, this is just some of what we're doing here at Renown Cargo Trailers. We do concession trailers, bathroom trailers, toy haulers, whatever it is, mobile pet grooming trailers, race car trailers. If you're interested in a trailer, give us a shot at Renown Cargo and just let us have an opportunity to earn your business. And we look forward to that. And I promise you, you will leave with a big smile on your face and you won't find a better deal anywhere else. So Donna, thanks for watching all our videos. Vanna, is there anything you want to say? She's getting shy, but she's got a big recital this weekend. But guys, thank you so much for watching all our videos. Anything you want to tell them?
Y'all know the rest. Until then, y'all be blessed.
Y'all heard it from her, the boss lady. Until then, y'all be blessed. See you soon.